because we don't have snow here in Philippines. Thank you, thank you. Hoy, Terry Ever, my love, so sweet. Thank you so much for the thumbs up. Dumaan ako sa live mo. Natulog ka ba? Kagabi ba yon? May problema yung ano ko, yung connection namin dito dahil sa gulo doon sa Davao. Nagalaw daw yung satellite. Adelina Oscar Dan connected. Thank you so much, Greg. And also, Anne Diary is also from, what's that? What's that plug? In New York? In USA? What time in your place now, Greg? Ay, oo nga pala, iba pala ang oras natin, no? Madaling araw, gabi sa inyo. Oy, hello everyone from Don Makes Vlog. Tunay na buhay sa Europa. Miga loud chat. Please support Tunay na buhay sa Europa. Sige, itudo mo lang. Terry Ever, my love, so sweet. Pag madaanan kita, tatamsak. Oh, 6:03 a.m. So, have you take your breakfast? Thank you so much sa harang. Tunay na buhay sa Europa. Uy, traditional healer, andyan ka pa. Thank you ha sa pagtambay. Have a breakfast. Agree. Miguel, shout out, Tradis. Hoy, Terry Ever, my love, so sweet. Uy, connect kay Tunay na buhay. Kay Greg. Greg and Sarah. Terry Ever Vlog done, subscribe. Thank you so much, Greg. Thank you. Just coffee? Plain coffee or with sugar? You know what? I don't like to drink coffee with sugar. Hoy, sis, my life. Thank you sa harang. Thank you so much. On the way, Tunay na buhay. Karamay Ed TV, thank you. O, ingat ka, gabi na, may ninoy, gabi na, nagsundo ka pa. Maulan dito, guys. Greg, you leave a comment my video there, I return. Okay, thanks. Terry Ever, my love, so sweet, is also from Bukidnon. We are just maybe 1 kilometer. Uy, magandang gabi sa iyo, Karamay Ed. Ayaw ko sana sundin si anak kaso maulan kaya puntahan ko muna. Oo, maulan din dito, maulan. Ingat kayo ha, madulas ang daan. Thank you. Asa na yun? Kindly support Wig and Sarah. Nahalo-halo din kinain ko. May Whopper, may bread. Short live lang ako.